Is your car having issues?
Yes, it won't start.
What seems to be the problem?
I think the battery is dead.
When did it stop working?
It happened this morning.
Did you leave the lights on?
No, I checked that.
Have you tried jump-starting yet?
Not yet. I don't have jumper cables.
I have some. Do you want to borrow them?
Yes, that would be great.
Do you know how to use them?
Yes, I do.
Do you need help?
That would be helpful, thanks.
Have you checked the battery terminals?
Yes, they seem clean.
Did you hear any clicking sounds?
Yes, a clicking sound when I try to start it.
It could be the starter then.
That's possible. What should I do?
Try jump-starting it first.
Okay, I'll do that.
If that doesn't work, you might need a new battery.
Where should I buy one?
Any auto parts store should have it.
Should I get a specific type?
Check your car manual for the right type.
Thanks for the advice.
No problem, let me know if you need more help.
Are you traveling soon?
Yes, I'm flying to New York tomorrow.
What time is your flight?
It's at 10 a.m.
Which airline are you flying with?
I'm flying with Delta.
How long is the flight?
It's about 3 hours.
Do you have a direct flight?
Yes, it's a direct flight.
Have you packed your bags?
Yes, I packed last night.
Did you check in online?
Yes, I did.
Do you have a lot of luggage?
Just one suitcase and a carry-on.
Are you taking a taxi to the airport?
No, a friend is driving me.
What time are you leaving for the airport?
I plan to leave around 7 a.m.
Do you have travel insurance?
Yes, I always get travel insurance.
Are you excited about the trip?
Yes, very excited.
Have you been to New York before?
Yes, a few times.
What are you planning to do there?
I'm visiting some friends and sightseeing.
Are you staying in a hotel?
No, I'm staying with friends.
Do you have all your travel documents?
Yes, I have everything ready.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you.